If you've ever driven a car, you've probably had a whiplash injury. It's that common. So whiplash injuries, they're very, very common in motor vehicle accidents. In a whiplash injury, what happens is the neck flexes and extends very abruptly. And what can happen is several things. You can injure the discs, which are these soft components in between the vertebrae. You could also injure a lot of the ligaments in the back of the neck when the neck flexes. There's also muscles that travel down the front and the back of the neck that stabilize it. So there's a lot of things that can happen in a whiplash injury that may not be noticed initially that will start to present itself later on. Get the proper evaluation and then determine treatment from there. MRIs are also very helpful to determine how much damage there is, especially for discs, because discs can herniate, they can pinch nerves, they can cause neck pain, in addition to the other things that can happen in a whiplash injury. So something to take very seriously if you were involved in a motor vehicle accident.